Here back with another video. Awesome Guy 597, and this is a baby red slider, like 2 years old, and we have it. We had it in a 50-gallon tank, and we decided to take it out because like it needs this habitat. And it's down there if y'all can see it. It's a female, by the way. Been feeding. You can see the food that we fed it, the pellet food. And this is my friend Jaden. It's my friend Jaden's turtle, because he caught it at a pond.
Yeah.
At his ranch, and wait, I'm gonna take it out for a bigger view. I mean, like a take it. Okay. Here you go.
Don't shit on me. It got
It blinked. You can see that red mark right now. You can see a little bit of that red mark. It's side.
He has a longer neck. It got me.
Yeah, it has a long neck.
It got me. Like a fucking giraffe.
Yeah. And yeah, my friend Jaden, he's gonna tell you much about the turtle. And yeah, so what did the turtle eat?
Well, pellet food. I mean, there's nothing to it. I mean, it's just
Yeah, pellet food. Sometimes it's an omnivore, so it eats both plants and meat. So yeah, and
don't put it together with fish, cause trust me, he'll
yeah, if if it's a baby red slider, then it's okay. But if it grows throughout the years and when the days pass by, make sure if you have like a gallon tank and you have your turtle in there, just let it get used to its habitat. And what's it called? Make sure there's no like goldfish. There could be big goldfish, but not those small ones. You know what I'm talking about, right? And okay, how can you tell it's a female or a male?
Well, females they have short little nails, and they also have a short really tail. But the males they have real long claws, and they also have really long tails. So I mean, you could tell. I mean, search it or some shit.
Yeah, and yeah, we're gonna take it out for a little while because it's been in here for like 30 minutes. So we're just gonna let it bask. Oh, like if you have a pet turtle, make sure you have a basking rock or somewhere so you can bask. Oh, and if you're wondering where we are, we're under my trampoline. Yeah. And make sure you take care of that turtle. Make sure it has a heat lamp, a light lamp, and make sure it has enough food that lasts long enough, and water.
Why are you taking the video?
Was that my Gatorade?
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, we're just drinking Gatorade, just chilling outside. My little brothers like the turtles. You like the turtle?
Hey, look at the turtle. Turtle!
Oh yeah.
It was moving his neck right now, man.
We're just chilling there.
Chilling like a villain.
Yeah, so we found it at his ranch, and
Yeah, a pond.
a pond. Yeah, nearby. It's not that
He was
far.
all lonely. I mean, that's why I took him.
I'm so lonely. I miss you. Sorry, guys. It's just an old song that I used to sing back then when I was lonely. No, I'm just kidding. I wasn't lonely. I had my brothers.
It's moving.
And oh, look, it's crawling. You can see more of its red. Oh, look, marking on its neck. See how it opened its neck? See right there? It looks funny. And make sure it doesn't bite you. If it bites you, it hurts.
Trust me, he made me bleed.
Yeah. Alright, look at that.
Say goodbye, my turtle.